Okay guys, well, as you can see, we brought out the Polar lights today. You remember this Temu car that we were gifted? We got some big plans for her coming up pretty soon. But we're gonna be bashing it off with this brand new ramp. And also, I brought out my, get out of my way. I brought out my 3S two-wheel drive Slash that you saw water skip a long time ago. Haven't played with this thing in months, so we're gonna see how well it does again on our little backyard bashing course. Hey. All right, let's get into it. I definitely don't have any grip out here because of my tires. No in-air control. Come on.
Jeez,
yeah.
This thing's working.
Hey, Byron. Come on, Polar lights. Yay. Byron going 2 miles an hour and he still misses the ramp.
Do you see how this thing goes?
Whoa. Oh, this is so lame. So lame compared to our other cars.
Whoa.
I need a lot bigger tires on here. Oh my. I just don't like two-wheel drive Slashers anymore. Come on, man, that's full throttle. Let's go. Yeah.
Hey, it sticks landing pretty well.
It does, actually. Oh. Oh, he's doing little donuts. Oh. That's the one-wheel wizard. Oh, that's two-wheel now. Look at him. Polar lights going crazy.
This guy's like, kill me all that. What's bad? Is it just pin? Those tires are such crap, bro.
Yeah.
It beating you right now, bro. You're slow.
I got no traction. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm kind of standing right here.
Ow. Whoa, little twist. This thing still has original A-arms on it and everything. What?
Well, the Polar lights is, even though it's just a basic piece of junk.
Yeah, the Polar lights is fun. I know you tried so hard. Whoa! Nice.
That tire's still going.
Oh, that's good bearings on the Temu car. Watch how slow these are. Here comes a Temu car. Yay! Little buddy did it. Yeah, two-wheel drives just can't jump very well.
I mean, this is dirt that doesn't like to.
Yeah, you're still.
Look at that dude, bro.
He's digging it. Digging it out. Nice. Dude, it's so dusty. I know. That is great.
That tire inside of it.
Oh, it's spinning inside the tire? No, you're not. That car looks better when it's all dirty. Oh, God. Come on. Head on. Oh. Oh. Oh, I broke it. I broke the Polar lights. Oh.
You broke it, bro.
I finally broke the Polar lights by smacking another car into it. And it's still driving. It's angry. It's angry. Well, we'll never be able to get parts for this thing. This is so sad, but it's still pushing it.
Oh my gosh, there's no control over this thing.
I wonder why. Whoa! Oh God! It's still going. It's still going. What's up, guys? It's Brett Allen here, bringing you another giveaway of a Traxxas Max. This is a brand new red Traxxas Max that you can win at lifeofballin.com now. So, if you look here, it is brand new. It still has the seal on here. And we wanted to give this away to you because we know this is the best RC car you can buy. You're gonna enjoy the heck out of this thing. So our promotion is going on until November 1st. So make sure you go on lifeofballin.com. This is a Paddle Gang t-shirt. We have other t-shirts that you can buy on there as well as tickets. So we really hope that you enjoy our content and enjoy winning yourself a brand new red Traxxas Max today. Thank you. Okay, hold on. What actually broke?
Oh, bulkhead.
It just pulled right out, huh?
And that rear axle is bent.
Oh my gosh, look how bent that is. That is so bent.
All right, get off of me.
Oh, that didn't work.
You gotta do it like this, Brett.
Yeah, just like that.
See that?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh, piece of junk, man. You're on a rock climber.
The polar lights never ceases to amaze me.
In reality, I mean, you know. I this guy's just kill it. You know.
Yeah, he's just licking himself. Here it comes. Slow and angry. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was a nice angle right there. Bruh. How'd it go?
Dude, that thing is bent so bad, dude.
Which one, the axle?
Yeah. Like, get it right here.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes. It's bent so bad. At least he's still driving. What up, Death Cape? You licking yourself, I see. Oh my god, what did I hit? What did I hit? I think I just saw a spark. Oh god. Oh, the tire came off. Oh my gosh. The tire landed over here in the neighbor's yard. Oh, that's not good, man. It's not good. Oh, I forgot. I'm so ghetto. I have one metal axle from Alibaba and I have the other stock axle.
So, I have a Temu car.
I know you have a Temu car.
Oh.
It's still good. Dude, how far down are you?
Oh no.
I think you just dug a deep hole. Hold on. Oh no. Oh! Oh!
Died. Oh, look at the body.
The Temu car. No. Oh my god.
Wait, I think the wheel broke though.
Hold on. How did the body happen? How did it happen? Oh my god.
You could have given that to a kid. Well, they did give it to a kid.
Oh man, the polar lights.
Hey, the polar lights is just fine.
Oh yeah, it's still dry pretty good. I don't think anything broke with that. Let's check out the axles. The other one bent now? No, it's just still that one.
Yeah.
And that bent before we even started playing with it. But that body, oh my gosh. Oh.
It just ripped it right out.
That was tough. I did hit it pretty hard.
Battery's still good.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh, and then you hit it.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! My body's completely off. I have one pin left. What the heck just happened? Okay.
That didn't work out right.
Oh! The tire just came right off.
I forgot I cut right there.
Yeah. I don't know what that noise is, but the transmission still works.
Hey, Temu, we need a front bulkhead.
We need a front bulkhead and a new car to test out. This thing has been pretty good.
Dude, that tire is... Oh, did I put it on backwards?
Yeah.
I put it on backwards. Yeah, that dude, mud boss.
I can't believe you cut a mud boss up and then you threw a polar lights in the sky.
I can't believe you drug a gravedigger around. I'm gonna come from Canada and kill you.
Yeah, that's literally what they
I mean,
say.
it was just like, really?
And it still runs.
Huh? Why are you trying to kill me? White people.
It's perfectly fine.
Perfect. Perfect. Hey, this thing still drives. You leaving? Oh.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh my God.
Hey, I'm still surprised at how good this thing was lasting.
Me too.
I mean, it did last a whole video.
Well, we did have plans to brushless swap this thing, but if we can't get parts for it.
Oh, we're gonna get parts for it.
Oh, 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 oh. What is that noise? That's a new noise. I think the hub is just spinning inside of itself or something.
Look at that axle right there.
It's the hub just spinning inside of itself. Oh, man. Well, that was a fun time, a little demolition derby with the...
Hey.
It's still driving. Dude, this is stronger than most Armas. What do you have to say about that?
I mean, it's true.
You think so?
I mean, it's still going.
Yeah.
It sounds horrible. We're trying to damage it.
Some kid would still want it.
Look at those big tires. They're just trying.
They're trying to move. It got it. I'm so glad that we can have fun with 2S cars.
You know what I'm really glad about?
What?
Is that we can have fun with this show and not care what other people say.
Exactly. Hey!
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Yeah. I made Mark jump.
I think it might be a slipper clutch.
Yeah. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh. That is terrible. Oh my God. Yeah, you can just hold the two tires and... Yeah, I think polar lights are done for right now. Just spin it backwards. Just spin it backwards before it grabs. Alright, we're gonna do a 24-hour loop of that. Well, that's all, folks.
Trash.